Let's talk about how to move your camera around and navigate your 3D space. This is probably the most important skill to learn, and it's okay to spend time just practicing moving the camera. Being able to move the camera to where you want it to go and to see the part of your project you want to see is vitally important to making a good design in SketchUp. The first camera move we're going to review is how to zoom. To zoom, you're going to use your middle scroll wheel on your mouse and slide it up and down. And as you scroll that wheel up and down, it will zoom the camera in and out. A cool feature with this is the zoom will go to wherever your mouse is pointing. So try pointing your mouse to different parts of the screen and zooming in and out. You'll see that the zoom goes to wherever you place the mouse. That's very helpful if you want to zoom in on a certain part of your project. Now let's say you want to rotate the camera. To rotate the camera, we're going to use that same scroll wheel button on our mouse, but we're going to click the scroll wheel like it's a button. Go ahead and click and hold down the scroll wheel, and as I move my mouse, it will start to spin the camera within this 3D space. Now it spins the camera rather slowly on purpose. As you're designing something, sometimes you want to do very fine camera movements. So to spin the camera all the way around, you'll often have to click multiple times and drag your mouse over and over again in the direction you want to go. SketchUp does that on purpose. The third and final camera movement is sliding the camera. Sometimes you want to slide to the left or the right or up and down without spinning the camera or zooming. To do that, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then click and hold the scroll wheel on your mouse. And as you move your mouse, you will be able to shift the screen up, down, left, and right. With these three different tools, the zoom, the rotate, and the shifting or sliding, you'll be able to navigate to the place you want to on SketchUp. Now, one final thing I want to show you is sometimes it is very easy to get lost. SketchUp will let you zoom out almost infinitely. You can end up literally miles away from your project or miles shifted over from your project, and you won't know if you're zoomed in and out. You don't know what's happening. To find your way back to what I would call the home view, what you do is you go over to your left group of icons and tools, select the very last tool, and you'll see these other tools pop out. You want to select the very last tool. It's called Zoom Extents. When I click it, it zooms me back in onto whatever objects are in my project. So as you are building and designing something, if you get zoomed out or lost, you can use Zoom Extents to get you right back to your project. Good luck. Take some time practicing just using the camera and using the Zoom Extents.